doors wide. Come on in, let's take the ride. Hotels, views, worldwide. Our crazy room tour life.
Okay, room tour. Come in here. It's a really quick tour. This one, I'll just go around the room. We've got tea and coffee in there. In here, we've got a safe and our own fridge for our own use, which is good. So always nice. Lovely warm day today in Venice. Nice bit of storage. Drawers under here. So yeah, I always appreciate a hotel with nice storage. And then here we've got table and chairs. They left us a bottle of champagne on arrival, which was lovely, and some sweet treats. Lovely big bed, bedside lights, nice view out of here. There's a lovely bar out the front that we will be going to have a drink shortly. And then over here in the bathroom, we've got a big full-length mirror there. And then in the bathroom, it's lovely. You've got a separate toilet with a bidet, big lit mirror, lovely products. Towels feel pretty soft. And then you've got the bath in there. Here's the toilets. Yeah, so really pleased.